Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove GoDaddy coming soon page. So the very first step that you have to do is to log in and find your products. So start by logging into your GoDaddy account, and then once you're logged in, you have to navigate to the My Products section, which lists all your domains, hosting, and other services. Next is to access your hosting manager. So from the list of the products, locate the domain with the coming soon page. Then just click the manage button next to your hosting plan or website builder to access its settings. And next is to find the file manager. So inside the hosting dashboard, you can look for a file manager or a similar tool. So this is where you can view and edit the files on your website. So you can just find it there and delete the coming soon file. So in the file manager, locate the file named index.html or default.html. So this is most likely the coming soon page. So you just have to right click or select the file and choose the delete option. And lastly is to upload your new website. So you're all set. Now you can upload your actual website files, like for example, your new index HTML and other assets to the same directory. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!